Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can fix your Spotify Wrapped not appearing problem on your device. So if you're facing this problem, then the first thing is open Spotify and at the top right corner try to click on the option called Wrapped. Now from inside here you can click on your Wrapped and see your Wrapped on Spotify. But for some reason if you don't see the Wrapped option available to you at the top, what you can do is delete Spotify and re-download it again. Sometimes a bug causes the problem, so deleting Spotify and re-downloading it again allows you to download the latest version of Spotify, helping you fix the issue. And if it's still not fixed, you want to go to your browser and just search for Spotify Wrapped. Once you search for Spotify Wrapped, you can see Spotify 2023 Wrapped at the bottom. Click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to take you to the place where you guys can see Spotify Wrapped. So wait for some time now. And over here, as you guys can see, it shows you 2023 Wrapped on Spotify. Now what you can do is click here for your Wrapped 2023 and your Spotify will open up automatically and it's going to show you your Wrapped video. That is one way to do it. And the other reason why you're not able to see your Wrapped may be because you haven't used Spotify that much this year. So I haven't used my Spotify a lot this year. So I opened my Spotify. So I haven't used this Spotify account that much this year. So if I click on Wrapped and I click on your Wrapped, it's going to show me this. We don't have your Wrapped this year. Now the reason is because to get Wrapped on Spotify, you need to have at least 3 hours of listening time on Spotify. Since I haven't listened to anything, Spotify has nothing to show me. That's why it's doing this. So make sure to understand if you have used Spotify or not. That could also be the issue. So that's how we guys can fix the problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.